Hey everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a horizontal line going across this chart showing the average. So in this data set, I've got median home sale prices as of January 2024 broken out by state. Now, if I want to add an average, a line showing an average, what I'm going to need to do is add another field here, another column. I'm going to call it average, and I'm just going to use Excel's average function. So I'm going to select all the values in column B, and I'm going to hit F4 to freeze that range. And now all I need to do is copy this down, because the key is I want that value to be repeating over and over again so that it does not change. Now when I select my chart, you'll see I can see the range that I've selected. So I just need to adjust this range, and I can do this just by dragging this range here. So at this corner, dragging it across, and now I've updated my chart to include that field. Now the problem is right now it's not a line. I've just added another column chart here. So to adjust this, I'm going to right click, change chart type, and I'm going to want to go down to the combo section here where Excel detects that I'm probably going to want to use an average or a line for the average. So I don't need to put it on a different axis because it's important that it's the scales stay the same. So I hit OK. And now I've got my line going across. So at this point, it's done. The only thing left to do is maybe just change the look of it. So if I wanted to do that, I could right click on this line, format data series, and let's go to the paint bucket and maybe change it to a black color and change the dash type so that we can see that it's basically an average or different from the rest of the data set. And so now it makes it easy to compare how these individual states compare with the average, and which ones are below the average, which ones are above it. So the key thing to remember when you need to add an average for a chart is just to add another column, another field, and then have that going across. The key thing is to make sure that those values are the same so they're not changing, and that ensures that that line stays constant and stays going across at that same value. So as you can see, a really easy way to add an average to your chart. If you like this video, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.